Let us now have the first part of this evening's performance.
Well, thank you for coming out and celebrating with us. It's great to take time to allow your heart to be challenged. And weren't we inspired tonight? You know, when you listen to really good quality music, it can transport you. It can touch your heart.
I wrestled with this myself. A few years ago, I sort of got to the realisation that I can't help everybody, and we can't help everybody. If I try and help 1 million people, I'm going to fail. But I can help one person. And then when I've helped that person, I can help another person and hopefully another. And if all of us help one person, that's a lot of people being helped.
Our goal is about transforming communities by being bringers of hope, and that's really what the invitation is to you tonight in partnering with the Payton Foundation, is to join with other people who are working amongst vulnerable others to help them to be able to have some hope.